Today's our topic is prices related to an item on buying and selling. What is the cost price and what is the selling price? The buying price of any item is known as its cost price. The price at which you sell is known as the selling price. In short form, we can write cost price as a CP and selling price as a SP. Now if cost price is less than selling price, then you made a profit, and we can find the profit from SP minus CP. If cost price and selling price both are equal, then there is no profit, no loss. If cost price greater than selling price, then you have a loss, and find out cost price minus selling price. Let us understand with some example. A toy bought for rupees 72 as sold at rupees 80. Bought for rupees 72 means here cost price is equal to 72. Sold at rupees 80 means selling price is equal to 80 rupees. Here selling price is greater than to the cost price, so there is a profit, and we can find the profit from selling price minus cost price. So 80 minus 72 is equal to 8 rupees. So 8 rupees, that is the profit. Let us take another example. A t-shirt bought for rupees 120 is sold at rupees 100. So here cost price, it's a 120 rupees. Selling price, that is the 100 rupees. Here selling price is less than to the cost price, so here it's a loss, and find the loss from the subtraction of CP and SP. So 120 minus 100, it's a 20 rupees, that is the loss. Another one, a cycle bought for rupees 800 is sold for rupees 940. Here cost price is equal to 800. Selling price is equal to 940. Here selling price is greater than to the cost price, so here it's a profit. Now do the subtraction, selling price minus cost price. 940 minus 800, it's a 140, that is the profit. Now, how to find the profit and loss in the form of percentage? If we want to find out the profit in the form of percentage, this formula you have to follow. Profit divide cost price, then multiply with the 100. And if there is a loss, then loss divide cost price, multiply with the 100. Let us understand with some example from the exercise 8.3. Question 1. Gardening shares bought for rupees 250 and sold for rupees 325. Here cost price of gardening shares, it's a rupees 250. Selling price, it's a rupees 325. Here selling price is greater than to the cost price, so there is a profit. And how to find the profit? We have to do the subtraction, 325 minus 250. So it's a 75 rupees, that is the profit. Now, how to find the profit in percentage form? So apply that formula. Profit divide cost price, then multiply with the 100. Here profit, it's a 75, cost price 250, then multiply with the 100. So here we can write 75 multiply 100 divide 250, 0 0 cut, 25 3s are 75. Now the remaining is 10 multiply 3. So our answer is 10 3s are 30, 30% profit. Let us take another example. A refrigerator bought for rupees 12,000 and sold at rupees 13,500. So here cost price, it's a 12,000. Selling price, it's a 13,500. Here selling price is greater than to the CP, so there is a profit. Do the subtraction, selling price minus cost price, 13,500 minus 12,000, so it's a 1,500, that is the profit. Now find the profit in the form of percentage. So profit divide cost price, then multiply with the 100. Profit is 1,500, cost price 12,000, and then multiply with the 100. Now simplify this. 1,500 divide 100. Below it's a 12,000. 2 0 2 0 cut. 1 0 here cut, 1 0 here. 3 4s are 12. Here we can write 53s are 150. So remaining is 50 divide 4. So your answer is 12.5%. That is the profit. Let us take one more example. A cupboard bought for rupees 2,500 and sold at rupees 3,000. So here cost price, it's a 2,500. Selling price 3,000. Selling price is greater than to the CP, so there is a profit. Now find out the profit, selling price minus cost price. Rupees 3,000 minus rupees 2,500, so it's a rupees 500. Now find out the profit in the form of percentage. Profit divide cost price, then multiply with the 100. Profit, it's a 500. Cost price 2,500, then multiply with the 100. Now simplify this. 500 multiply 100, then 2,500. Here 2 0 cut, 2 0 cut. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 1 0 here. Otherwise we can say 25. 25s are 100. So our answer is 20. 20, that is the percentage. The next concept that we will discuss in the next session. Thank you.